love you. Who would think we're up to, I don't even know what fucking time it is, but we're up early in the fucking morning, late at night, early in the morning, whatever the fuck you want to call it, recording this shit.
I slept a little bit, so.
Don't fall. I wouldn't let you fall. You're gonna get wet out there.
I get wet inside of the bed.
That's right. If I do something right, anyway.
You always do right, baby.
Gosh. Why in the fuck? Ain't something blowing up? I know that's mean to say.
As soon as you got your phone, it wouldn't do it.
I'd like to see shit explode. I want to see something like Hiroshima or Hiroshima or whatever the fuck it's called. That'd be some fucking cool ass shit.
What are you talking about?
Boom. You don't know what Hiroshima is?
No.
That's like with a nuclear bomb. Oh my god. You don't remember your history?
No.
Yeah, that was like fucking awesome. And there's also a song, I drop bombs like Hiroshima or Hiroshima or whatever the fuck. He ain't talking about dropping shit. It's about bombs.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but you love this movie.
I do.
Come on, damn it. Blow up or some shit. I'm getting bored. I'm about to go to bed.
Look at the antenna on my car, dude. It's like an icicle.
Yeah, one giant tall icicle. You know, if someone like fell on it, it'd like go through them. That'd be awesome.
That's so
Hey, if I can get him to move his car, I'm gonna pull it over here and then I'm gonna get. Hey, did you go something?
I think it was outside.
I swear I heard something in the living room.
Did you lock your front door?
Ooh,
Holy
what was that? Fuck yeah, that was awesome. Oh my god, that shit.
Shit.
It's still blowing up shit.
Holy shit.
They're blowing up all back through there. Give us another one like that. That was fucking awesome. Here, I want to go.
You just look in your living room because you're freaking me the fuck out. Turn some lights on so you can see. I'm scared. It's a rat.